There's more news about the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard defamation trial as the judge unseals every document from the case that could ruin the actress' appeal. Something tells us that there's a big reason why she wanted all of these documents to remain sealed. You know how Amber is so desperate to turn the jury's verdict upside down. Well, she hasn't stopped talking about it since the last day of trial. Even her lawyers have been going on so many TV shows and interviews just to let us know that they aren't satisfied with the verdict. We're totally sick of it. I bet the judge is sick of them too, because this time, she's shutting them up with perfect proof and timely statements and pieces of evidence. Amber's chance to appeal will be gone in a blink of an eye. This is all about the incident in Hicksville. A few years into their marriage, specifically in 2013, Johnny and Amber visited a luxurious trailer park in California. Amber spoke so fondly of this gateway trailer.
I don't remember feeling anything because the night just kind of changed pretty dramatically before I really felt anything of the effects of that. But that was the environment we were in, and
as she would call it, because of all the incidents she claimed took place there. In her testimony, Amber said that Hicksville was filled with little trailers. They planned to go there with friends and do laffy drugs. They only planned to hang out by the campfire and listen to music, but some more things happened that night. Things got weird.
And pulled her into him and said, "Do you know how many pounds of pressure it takes to break a human wrist?"
Amber said the trip was going well until a female friend was getting too comfortable with her and her ex got angry. She then claimed that it led to Johnny twisting the woman's wrist before threatening to break it, then added that Johnny had turned the rage onto the trailer itself and he began destroying it. He began smashing things, throwing things into the glass cabinet. According to the actual witnesses present that day, who aren't friends with Amber, this literally didn't happen.
The innkeepers that worked at Hicksville before reached out to them and said, "We saw some stuff that wasn't true," and then they asked, "Is it okay if I give the attorneys your phone number?" So the attorneys reached out to me.
Okay, and when did the attorneys reach out to you?
May 3rd.
Morgan Knight was one of the best witnesses on the stand during the bombshell defamation trial, and he explained that these things didn't happen that night. The trailer wasn't even that ruined, just a few rough spots. It was totally exaggerated. In addition to that, Amber also claimed that Johnny sexually assaulted her that time by doing a cavity search on her because he thought she was hiding illegal substances from him. She didn't understand what was happening at the moment though. You know what's weird? This is the first time we're hearing about this. Amber never mentioned it before, even during the UK trial. Doesn't this sound important not to be included in that? It's like she's only mentioning it now when the cameras are on. At least now there's additional proof that this sounds too good to be true. The newly revealed documents say that it's impossible for Amber to not realize what was happening to her. So all this time, her friends knew what she was doing and actively lied with her. And also, every time she claims that she was assaulted by her ex-husband, there's always no proof that it happened. No medical record, no anything. So how can you say that this actually happened? The more she tries to appeal the jury's verdict, the more her mistakes get exposed. She should have left it at that and accepted the consequence of her actions. This probably isn't the only document that's going to get unsealed, so watch out for more. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.